ISIS operative with about 15 kilograms of explosives was arrested in the national capital. The Delhi police have claimed a major breakthrough as the operative was planning to launch attacks on the 15th of August. These are homemade IEDs. He could not, thankfully, carry out the attacks on the 15th of August, but he planned to store them and use them at a later date. The Delhi police have now arrested him. He's been sent to 8 days of remand, and he was intercepted. And when he was arrested by the police, explosives were recovered near the Daula Kuah, and the NSG team has successfully defused those explosives. Alok Singh joins us for more on this. Alok, just tell us about this man that the Delhi police has arrested, what his background is. Was he working with a larger network at all?
Well, Aarti, security agencies are believing that this arrest that they done, this is a big catch, and in fact they have managed to foil a big terrorist strike in the national capital after the arrest of Abdul Yusuf. His actual name is Abdul Mustaqeen, and he's a resident of Uttar Pradesh's Balrampur area. In fact, there are three pieces of interesting information which he has revealed during the course of interrogation. That one, he wanted to do the lone wolf attack in the national capital. Second, that he was looking for a place where the heavy footfall is happening in Delhi or NCR region. So that is what he was working on. And very interesting piece of information that he shared, that he learned the making of IED from the internet. This is very interesting piece of information. However, the agencies are saying that they are verifying it, that how he managed to make these IEDs, because he made these IEDs in the month of February. And after that, he was looking, he was instructed by his handlers from Afghanistan, that he has to do execute them in the Delhi NCR region. So that's why he was looking for a chance. In fact, during the time of Independence Day, he tried that, but he did not manage to do because of the high security bandobast. But now, because the things were normalized, so he managed to came to Delhi, and he was planning to do, and he was looking for a place where he could execute these IEDs. So the IEDs which are recovered, they were all live IEDs, what the agencies are telling us, and that's why they had to call the NSGs, that is National Security Guards Commandos. They are very well equipped, and they managed to defuse these IEDs after taking both these IEDs, which were around 15 kilograms, in the Gautam Buddha Park, because these are the security protocol that they have to take it away from the crowded place and they have to defuse it. So in that way, they have defused. It took several hours, and now they have successfully done it. But his interrogations are on. He has also been taken to Balrampur so that they could corroborate the sequence of events, how he managed to come, how he managed to procure these explosive also. So all these things will be corroborated. But as of now, his interrogations are on, and in the coming days, more and more revelations will come out. Back to you.
Right. Alok, very quickly, how is it that the Delhi police stumbled upon this case in the first instance, and how do they manage to successfully foil this plot?
Well, Aarti, what the special cell officials told us, that they were working on him for past 1 year. They were keeping an eye on his activities, because through social media, they got the secret information, and through intelligence agencies also, the inputs were shared to them that this man is planning to do some activity in the Delhi and NCR, and also in Uttar Pradesh or Uttarakhand, because he visited those places as well. So after keeping a continuous watch on him, when they found out that he has managed to procure these IEDs and he may commit any kind of this kind of incident or terrorist strike, so they nab him. Yesterday, this whole nab operation was conducted when he was traveling on the motorbike, and his motorbike, that is registered number from Uttar Pradesh's Ghaziabad, that is also being verified. That might be it was the stolen motorbike, and one pistol is also recovered from his. In fact, he opened fire at the police party. So police is saying that they are verifying all the things, whatever they have recovered from his possession, but the agencies and the security agencies were keeping an eye on him, because he went to Saudi Arabia and he stayed for 4 years as well, where he did a business, and from that place he managed, and he came in contact with the handlers that are based in Afghanistan. So there is one terror group who is operating, which is operating in Afghanistan, that is also linked with him. So all these things are being verified, but further interrogations are on.
Well, certainly a major tragedy averted in the national capital. Alok, thank you so much for bringing us all those updates.